Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Yamaha TTR125. This is the L model, which is big wheel version for a little bit older kids. Electric start, 4-stroke, 5-speed transmission. Come on by, make your youth dirt bike dreams come true for just $34.99. This Yamaha will not be here long. It's in great condition. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.